How to fix Roblox Mobile stuck on loading screen problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open up Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage. Now once you are inside the iPhone storage, search for Roblox and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, simply tap on Offload app and then tap on Offload app again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is offloaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once done, head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store. Once you are inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Roblox. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, long press Roblox, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. And once it is reinstalled in your device, simply restart your mobile device and then you'll be good to go. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.